Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Welcome to this lecture, Lists in Python. Lists are one of the most commonly used data structures. They are ordered, mutable, means it is changeable, and can hold elements of different types, including other lists. Now, creating list. Creating a list is simple. Let's create a fruits array or fruits list. Yes, friend, you have heard it right. It's an array. If you are familiar with other programming languages, let's create a fruits list. So fruits, we are creating a variable fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. And note one thing, we are placing all these fruits inside squared bracket. Now, accessing elements. Use indexes or indices to access elements. So, in list, index starts from 0. Print fruits 0 will provide the output apple, the first element. Yes, friend, remember this thing, index starts from 0. And how you can print the last element? Say for example, here you already know that there are 3 elements. So if you print fruits 2, it will provide the output cherry. But what about if you don't know the length of this list? Millions, it can be millions, right? The thing is, to print the last element, there is a shortcut. Print fruits, then provide the index -1. Yes, it prints the last element or the last item. Next, let's come to list operations. You can add or remove elements. Use append to add. Say for example, fruits.append pineapple. Now if you access fruits 3 or fruits -1, what do you think? What will be the output? It's going to be pineapple. Yes. Insert. Insert is used to insert at a specific index. We will take a look, but just a bit later. Remove is used to delete. There are 2 more things that I would like to address. You can find the length of a list, or you can say you can check how many elements are there in a list using len function. Again, this is a built-in function. So let's take a look. Fruits.append mango, fruits.remove banana.